Hi, got another unboxing video, and this time it is July's edition of Degustabox. So this is what it looks like, rather large box. So this just came by courier. And I was about to pop out actually because I'd forgotten. They do send you a text to let you know that your box is on its way. So they give you a window of about an hour. So if you're not in, you can contact them and you can make other arrangements, or they can come back later, etc. So I knew that they would come in, but I completely forgot. So yes, thankfully I didn't go, or else I wouldn't have had this box. So if you're new to Degustabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. This is the July box. It's a food subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month and you're free to cancel whenever you want. This one ships in the UK, but there is a Degustabox in America. I'll try and find a link and I'll link it all down below. All the links to what's inside this box, as well as my refer a friend code, which entitle you to £5 off your first box, free postage and packaging, and an extra freebie, which is, I think the code is Diary5, but I will link everything down below. So click on the show more, that'll bring up description, it'll all be in there. So take a look there. So you get between 10 to 15 items a month. It's a lot of up and coming items, so items that haven't been released into shops yet, which is nice, good to try. There tends to be a really good mix and they tend to have a theme. So this month's theme is summer. If you're new to my channel or you haven't seen any of my Degustabox unboxings before, I received this box for free, thanks to you lot. Because Degustabox do a refer a friend deal, which you could do yourself if ever you wanted to sign up to this box. And it means that for every two or three people that use your refer a friend code to sign up for a subscription, then you accumulate points. And when you reach 100 points, it means you can get a free box. So because a few of you have used my refer a friend code, that's enabled me to have free boxes for the last couple of months. So I'm really grateful and thank you. And if you received Degustabox, make sure you share your code on like social media and things like that, so then you're in a chance of getting some free boxes as well. Going back to the contents, they do have a great mix. They're not specifically tailored for dairy-free, gluten-free. I've mentioned in previous boxes this, but they do tend to have a lot of items. They do have a good mix. So there will be quite a few items in there that could be dairy-free, could be gluten-free. When you sign up, you do have a questionnaire that you fill in online, just saying your preferences. For instance, I remember I did it about a year ago, but one of them was, do you drink alcohol? And I took yes, so I have had some alcohol in my boxes. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it comes really packaged well. The sticker here, ooh, you can't see. And it's really packaged well, you can see the bubble wrap there. I'll take the leaflets out, and that's my box there. So inside you get a leaflet telling you all about the products that are inside this box, tells you their price, how many you get and everything like that. And on the back it gives you a recipe related to some of the items that are in the box. You also get discount vouchers as well. So this is for Capsicana, which we had in last month's box, and this is for 20p off and 30p off. So there's those there. So I can take those. I don't live near a Sainsbury's, unfortunately. The nearest Sainsbury's to me is about an hour drive away. So unless I'm in that direction, I'm not going to be going. So what I normally do in my unboxing is I pick up an item, show you, and refer back to this and have a little bit of a read, and then I try and tot it all up at the end, so I give you an idea of how much the box costs altogether if you were to buy them individually. So my first item is, oh, it's actually the spoiler that I saw. It's a pickle and it's iced coffee with 18 grams of protein, and it's a protein latte, 100% organic Arabica. Arabica, is that how you say it? And it's, yeah, 225ml. Doesn't look like an iced coffee. It's not a tin or anything, it's paper. So I'm not going to try it. And we'll just see what it says. So in the boxes we'll receive one of two flavours. So I've got a protein latte, and I can't read what the other one is, but it's brown. I don't know. We're a small bunch of coffee lovers who are passionate about bringing you the best beans. That's why we've created these irresistible fair trade and organic iced coffees, and they cost £1.50 each. So now I look forward to trying that. Next item, there's two here. Packet of crisps. Ooh, they're called London Flavours. I've never heard of this brand, so it might be something new. And we've got cheddar and red onion, and we've got sea salt and malt vinegar. So 2 packets of crisps there. Oh, they look really nice. Ooh, and they are gluten-free, suitable for vegetarians, GMO-free, 100% British potatoes. So let's see what it says. You should receive 2 of the 4 flavours in your boxes, and they are recommended retail price are 95p each. They're made with best British potatoes, roughly peeled, seasoned with delicious flavours and hand-cooked in small batches to ensure an even crispier quality. Now you can share a flavour of London life. Oh, I love that. I absolutely adore crisps. I love a little crisp. Next item is 2 little bottles wrapped up in bubble wrap. Oh, it's Ribena sparkling. Oh, wow. So we've got pineapple and passion fruit and blackcurrant, and they're both less than 15 calories per bottle. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, I love this. I'm going to have that later. They're going to be mine. I can't open them now because you need a bottle top opener thingy. So it says they're £2.70 each. This refreshing new drink comes in at less than 15 calories per bottle, available now in pubs near you. Ooh, I don't go to pubs that often, so no, I'm happy to try these. So Ribena sparkling drinks, yum. Next item is, oh, we love this in the house, it's Cadbury's hot chocolate, and it's the highlight, so it's the lower calorie, so it's 38 calories and low sugar. So it's a big full-size tub that lasts us quite a while. We do love it. We drink it quite a lot at home. And the recommended retail price for this is £2.99. This deliciously light way to enjoy hot chocolate, Cadbury's Highlight Milk Chocolate, has a smooth, milky, chocolatey taste of Cadbury's, but with only 38 calories per cup. So now that's a handy thing to add. Next item. Peckish rice crackers, cheddar cheese flavour, gluten-free and baked not fried. I wonder if you've had Peckish before. It rings a bell. I think we've had some rice cakes before, so whether or not they're the same brand as this, I'm not sure. But no, we love rice crackers here as well. Recommended retail price of this is £1.59. Peckish is a thinner, lighter, crispier snack made of rice and full of flavour. We are baked not fried, gluten-free and under 100 calories per portion. The trays are perfect for sharing and entertainment this summer. There you go. Ooh, what's this? Mizzle Tasty Aka Red Miso Soup. Rich miso paste with warm spices, wakame seaweed and spring onions. So there's 4 times 20 gram servings. That's what that looks like there. I've never tried anything like this before. So the recommended retail price for this is £3.75. The mushrooms add a sweet earthy taste and are packed separately to keep our miso fresh and mushrooms flavoursome. Made from fermented barley and soya beans, our muggy barley miso soup has a light but hearty flavour. Oh, it's like a cup of soup then. So, oh no, I look forward to trying that. I've never tried that before. It's a really old product, but it's a household favourite with us anyway. But it's salad cream. Degustabox can be a bit random. They can pop in some weird stuff. It's not weird, obviously, you know, you can still buy it in the shops now, but it's just, yeah, when we got like brand new up and coming items and then you get a salad cream, I just find it funny. My eldest son absolutely loves salad cream and he only likes this brand and he's constantly bugging me to get it, and I keep on getting mayonnaise all the time, so I know he's going to be well chuffed. So this is a salad cream and this is a 235 gram and the recommended retail price for this is £1.49. Salad cream has its, Heinz salad cream still has its deliciously zingy taste that makes it one of Britain's best loved sauces. So no, quite happy to have that. We got Rosies Pig Flat Tire Sparkling Cloudy Cider with Rhubarb. Now I'm sure we had one of these with cucumber or pear, was it last month? I can't remember now. But we have had another one. So it's a cider drink, it's 4% alcohol. And oh, see, my memory's so bad. I wish I could remember. I did drink it, but I think I had a cider the month before as well. So no, I can't remember exactly what it's like, but rhubarb sounds nice. So the recommended retail price for this is £2. Made with fresh pressed Hertfordshire apples, this sweet and well-balanced cider is slowly matured and left unfiltered to create an uncompromising flavour. The fruity taste paired with a tart finish makes it refreshingly moreish. So now that's a nice drink. What have you got here? A chocolate bar or a pulsing raw chocolate brownie, salted caramel. We've had pulsing products before. I think we've had protein powders and maybe flapjacks, I think. So the recommended retail price for this is £1.59. Crafted with the finest natural ingredients, the new salted caramel raw choc brownie from Pulsing is the perfect treat for an indulgent and guilt-free snack. And it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soya-free and vegan. So that's a really nice snack. One for me again. It's just all for me really, isn't it? Then we got, whoop, here in my mouth. Then we got some sweets. Okay, there's always a sweet treat in here as well, which my eldest son, who is right next door, he can hear me doing this. And he's like, oh, can I have the sweets then, whenever I finish unboxing? So you'll probably hear me saying that now. But this is fruit pastels, which he loves. And it is, what's it say, 30% less sugar, and this is a 110 gram pouch. Recommended retail price for this is £1.29. The sweets you know and love, but now with 30% less sugar. It contains no artificial flavours, colours, preservatives or sweeteners. Right, so we got a pack of 2, and it's from the same brand as we had items in last month's, which were really nice. They were sauces, which you can mix with for fajitas and things. So it's this is Capsicana, Latin flavour, Brazilian smoked paprika and spices for beef or chicken. So this is a seasoning mix and in medium hotness. And we've got here quick and tasty Mexican guacamole mix and made with manzano chilies and garlic, and this is medium. Oh, this sounds gorgeous. So there's 2 here. Wow, they sound really, really nice. What's it say in the information? So this is their product of the month, and the recommended retail price for this is 65p, and for this is £1. Capsicana are proud to extend their exciting, authentic Latin American range. Just add their Mexican guacamole mix to one smashed avocado for delicious homemade guac. Try their Brazilian smoked paprika and spices seasoning mix sprinkled on some meat on the barbecue or in the oven for a really tasty churrasco experience. Both are launching in large Sainsbury's stores across the summer. Oh no, I'm definitely gonna, I absolutely adore avocado, so I'm gonna try that definitely. So these was all the items. Because there's so many, I can't gather them up and give you an overall view, but I'm just gonna tot them all up and I'll come back to you. So roughly speaking, the price comes to around £19. So the box cost £12.99, so it's a couple of pound over. So I think it's one of our cheapest boxes. They normally range between £20 to £25 a month. So yeah, 19 is close, still over the price of the actual box. I think there's some really nice items. Looking at the list here, I can't wait to try the iced coffee, the raw chocolate brownie, the Capsicana Latin flavours, the sachets. Oh, there's quite a few here actually. There is, and the crisps and the sun. There is quite a few here actually. Some months can be hit and miss. I think about 2 months ago we had a box. It was football themed, but it seemed to be full of sweet things. Yeah, nice. But then I'm here on my own for a couple of hours and my willpower is not great, and I just wanted to eat them all. I think I've got a thing for Kit Kats, and I think there was like 2 different types of Kit Kat, a box full of little Kit Kats and then other separate Kit Kats from memory, I can't remember now. But anyway, it was just a little bit overload of sweetie stuff. So yeah, month on month, I think that'll be too much. And yeah, it would affect my weight for definite. But I think generally looking at this is quite some healthy things in here, and I'm quite pleased. So yeah, what are your thoughts? Do you get Degustabox? I'd love to know what you think about this month's box, and if you don't, what's your thoughts of this box? Is it something that might interest you, or do you think it's a waste of money? Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Speak soon, take care, bye.